Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to create a free traffic campaign using one of the best free traffic source called YouTube. Okay, this is just the tip of the iceberg which I teach in my ClickBank course. Okay, so if you want to grab my ClickBank course, you can get this course. The links are going to be in my description box below this video, and I'm going to show you how to create this free campaign on YouTube and start receiving traffic instantly. Unlimited traffic, doing it the right way. A lot of people are doing this, but they're doing it all wrong, and then they give up and they start complaining, they start blaming other people, and because of that nothing seems to work for them. All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to teach you step by step how you can go out there and just create a simple video. Okay, it could be a screen share faceless video, it could be an AI video, it could be a training video, it could be a promotional video, it could be an educational video. Whatever video is, you can create this simple video, go out there, upload a video, and if you do it the right way, you can start receiving traffic instantly, start making money as well with this. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is all about affiliate marketing, make money online, ClickBank, work from home, job opportunities, lead generation, traffic generation. I have helped thousands of people make money online. Some of my students have become millionaires, mentors, and coach. If you follow my steps and you take massive action, your life is never going to be the same again. Leave a comment if you have any kind of questions. Okay. Don't forget to click the share button to share this video with the people you care, because this one video is more than enough to help you change your life. Now, if you want to know the $1 million secret, okay, instead of going for the one-on-one coaching where I can charge you $4,997, instead of that, if you just want to know what I do in my business to make thousands of dollars in commissions, then you can get access to my $1 million secret fast profit strategy manual with resale rights, which means you can sell it and earn 100% profit. Okay, link is popping up right on your screen. You could open up a new browser, go to this website address and purchase this fast profit strategy manual for a one-time payment. Okay, and you can go through it, and if you take action and just follow the steps, your life is never going to be the same again, because I mentioned everything, all the products, all the systems, all the programs, all the traffic source, everything I do in my business and how I am doing it. And regularly I am adding more and more and more things to this fast profit strategy manual, because I come across brand new products, brand new programs, brand new systems, and I put it into this, and this is worth $997, and you're just getting it for a fraction. Okay, so it's your chance to get something and go through it and start applying it to make money online. And I believe that this one manual will change your life potentially if you take massive action. Okay, so the link is popping up on your screen. Just go to this website address, don't wait till tomorrow, purchase it today, and you're going to thank me for this, because this is a very, very great manual that will change your life. What do I cover? I cover my traffic sources, I cover the programs, the systems, the products that I promote, I cover how I do it, what's my daily routine, what do I do, how do I do free traffic, where to get paid traffic from. I cover lead generation secrets. I cover a lot of cool stuff in this video. I give you the done for you, high converting free traffic places that you can go to and start getting traffic instantly, start getting messages instantly, and start responding to make sales. I also update this regularly to add more and more stuff as I come across brand new programs, brand new systems to make money online. All right, so let's dive into this. Now, before I dive into this video, okay, if you want to get access to my ClickBank course, you can get access to it. Link popping up on the screen. You could get access to this course right now. In this course, I cover everything. Okay, I also cover YouTube as well, on how to upload on YouTube and how to actually drive traffic using YouTube. Okay, what I'm about to share in this video is just the tip of the iceberg that you're getting a fraction. But if you want to learn very in-depth details on how to do all of this, you couldn't get access to my ClickBank course that's changing lives. Okay, you can see I've got over 1,813 students already in this course, and it's growing rapidly fast. So you can be part of this course and you can get access to this course as well. Link in the description box, and also link popping up on your screen. So let's do this. Okay, so now I'm going to upload a video. First, you need a YouTube account. If you have a Google account, you just create a YouTube account while logged into your Google account, and it will attach your account. And before you upload any kind of video, first you need to do the research of the keyword that you're going to target. Okay, so I'm going to come here and I'm just going to type in something like ClickBank, and I could see that YouTube is giving me a lot of recommendations down here. So you could see here, ClickBank affiliate marketing for beginners step by step. These are the type of keywords that YouTube is recommending, and the reason they're recommending is because this is the keywords that people are typing in. So I'm going to just choose one of the keywords down here. So I could see I'm going to type in this keyword, all right, and I could see there's going to be a lot of competitions. Definitely people are going to be uploading videos, so I'm going to target this keyword. So let's go into this, and I've already created a video. Okay, you can create a video using Screen-O-Matic, you could screencast, you could do Camtasia. There's so many tools and softwares, free softwares, that which you can use to create your video. You don't have to show your face. You could do faceless videos, just sharing the screen and creating a tutorial. Okay, so let's click on create, upload a video. Okay, so select file and let's choose that video. Let me see where that video is. So here's the video. The first thing you're going to do, step one, is we're going to target the keyword. So first of all, we're going to change the file name, and we're going to make it into ClickBank Affiliate Marketing 2025. Okay, that's very, very important. The file name should reflect the keyword that you're targeting. So let's upload this. And then you want to make some extra adds to the title. So let's do this. Go from, okay, just read it. Okay, I'm not just going to say it. Okay, there you go. That looks great. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste in the entire description. Okay, so I already had a description written, so I'm going to paste it in. So what you want to do in the beginning, a lot of people, let me show you a couple of mistakes that people make. One of the mistakes people will make is, first of all, they will come here and they will put a link. Okay, now you should know that YouTube keeps on changing their algorithm, which means that if you put a link in the beginning, about 6-7 years ago it was okay, but now it's not like that. If you put a link right in the beginning, YouTube is not going to push your video. They don't like it. They don't want people to like navigate away from YouTube. So instead of putting a link right at the beginning, put some kind of description down here. And when you put a description, okay, and when you put that type of description down here, YouTube's going to see, okay, it's a description, then there's a link, and YouTube is okay with that. YouTube just doesn't like that you put a link right at the beginning, because so people can just click on it and navigate away from YouTube. So you need to stop doing that if you are doing it. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to remember. Okay, and then you want to scroll down. You can see I've got a very good description here that I wrote. Okay, how to make money online using DeepSeek R1. Okay, and make some changes here. Then I'll give more details on how you can make money online. Then what you want to do, you just want to copy the video URL by clicking here. Okay, and then you just want to come here, paste it in, bam, and then you just want to copy the title here, because the video title is ClickBank Affiliate Marketing 2025. Alright, and then you want to put some hashtags. Okay, YouTube, like I said, YouTube keeps on changing the algorithm. The correct algorithm says put some hashtags. Okay, so I'll put some hashtags here. So I'm going to change this. Alright, I'm going to change it to ClickBank. It's going to give me the recommendations. So the ClickBank, let's do ClickBank for beginners, ClickBank, alright, affiliate marketing, and then you want to do a couple of other ones like make money online. Okay, that's what your video is all about. Make money online for beginners. Alright, I'm going to do earn money online earn money, and I think that's more than okay. A lot of people do a lot of tags, and that's what I recommend as well. Do at least about 15-20 tags, but I just normally do about 6-7 tags, okay? But you should do a lot of tags. The tags is basically telling YouTube what your video is all about, and then they will give you that boost, okay? At the end, you want to put this all the time. I highly recommend you do this, okay? This video is for education purpose only. I'm an independent affiliate, not an employee. I get referral commissions from all my videos, etc. Okay, you want to put that kind of disclaimer. It makes it sound good. And then upload a file. The file should be all about your thumbnail image. Okay, so let me show you how to create a quick thumbnail image. You're going to go to a free tool called Canva. It's absolutely free, okay? So go to Canva, alright? And then what you want to do is you just want to come here and create a YouTube thumbnail. So here's, you can see it says here YouTube thumbnail. Just click on it, okay? And there you go. It's got the Canva here for you. And so what you want to do is you just want to come here. First of all, you could change the color. So I'm going to change the color to something like, let's see, blue, okay? That's not bad. I'm going to put some text in, okay? And then I'm just going to put something like ClickBank commissions 2025, alright? And then I'm going to change this to, let's say, alright, let's put it to impact, okay? Let's make it bigger. Just want to go up, alright? Towards the top. That doesn't look bad, okay? Let's upload an image. And I already have an image, like you probably know me. I'm a top 1% super affiliate. I've generated thousands of dollars in commissions. I'm just going to upload one of my ClickBank results image, okay? So let's do this, okay? Just want to come here, okay? Not bad, not bad. Alright, let's just come here. Okay, there you go. Not bad. Got one image out there. And let's put some more text in. So let's come here. Now remember, you want to put an image only if you have your own image, okay? If you don't have your own image, don't bother putting an image, just put something else, okay? This is my own ClickBank account, my screenshots, okay? So I use my images. Like I said, if you really want to learn how I generate this type of money, go to this website address and buy the $1 million secret fast profit strategy manual. In there you're going to learn everything on how to make money just like this. Link is popping up right on your screen. You could get the fast profit strategy manual, get access to it, and you're going to love it, okay? I'm not just someone that's going to give you the fast profit strategy manual. You could even contact me, ask me any questions on Facebook regarding it, okay? So let's do this, okay? Go from 0 to, okay, let's just make this a bit more bigger. Towards the top, yeah, go from 0 to, let's do another one. What was it? Go from 0 to $5,000 per month. Okay, let's just bring this down. See how easy it is with Canva, alright? Okay, and then I'm just going to come here, I'm going to duplicate this, scroll down a bit, and just put in 2025, alright? I want to make a bit of change the, so let's do this, put it to here, change this as well, and change this as well. Now it looks good, right? I'm guessing you're liking it. If you're loving the video, you're getting a lot of value, thumbs up please. Give me a thumbs up, come on. And click that share button. Share this video with the people you believe that they are struggling. They're going to love it. They're going to get a lot of value. Okay, now I could change the color as well. I could come here. I could change the color to orange. I could change the color to, let's just do another color here. I could put it to red. Okay, not bad. I could put this as well. Change the color. Let's just change this color to something like, okay, let's do this white. Now it doesn't look good. I'm just going to change it back to something that's going to make it stand out. Okay, there you go. Not bad. Alright, and then you just want to download it. Now I'm not going to download it. Instead of downloading, I'm just going to take a picture of this. Alright, so I'm going to copy that. Okay, now very important, can you remember we said we are targeting the keyword? That's the same keyword you're going to add in the file for this as well too. Okay, so we're using that. We're going to come back to our video and then we're going to upload it. Alright, so let's do this. There you go. Boom. Cool. That's looking great. Okay, scroll down, click on show more. Alright, scroll down, click on no, very important. And then you want to add a couple of tags down here. Alright, so the tag keyword, ClickBank, affiliate marketing, ClickBank commissions, how to make money with ClickBank. Okay, I'll add the tags and I'll be back within a couple of seconds. Okay, so we got the tags in. You want to add in a couple of tags into this related to your video. Then you want to scroll down, see everything. Okay, leave everything as it is. Category, very important. What is your video all about? I normally just target how to and style. Click on next. Okay, and then down here add an end screen. This will give you a bit more boost to other videos as well. Oops, something went wrong. Let's just try again. Okay, and there you go. I'm just going to put it to this. Alright, so you can see here I've got two videos at the end. Instead of them just scrolling away from my channel, I'm giving them an opportunity to watch other videos as well. Okay, and you could add some cards. I'm just going to leave it as well. What is a card? You probably see those text versions. So let me just show you that quickly as well. Just come here, let's just add a top video, and if I just come here and just choose one of my videos, so let's just go here, and you can see here this is what's going to pop up at the time of 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Unlimited free affiliate traffic. If they click on it, they will go to another video, and this is another way for you to get some boost in your YouTube channel. Okay, alright, so everything's looking good. You've got about 3 options: private, unlisted, public. Just go public, click on publish, and this is going to publish your video. Congratulations, you got your video published. This is the tip of the iceberg. If you really want to learn more about this, go to my ClickBank course, get access to this. I cover a lot of cool stuff. Okay, and link is popping up. You could buy this course right now to see how you can succeed and achieve great results with ClickBank. And if you really want to change everything and you want to see how I do business, okay, like this is, look at this. This is one income stream, over $201,000 in commissions. Would definitely help you do this. Feel free to ask me any questions. Get access to my strategy manual. I promise you will not be disappointed.